Well, hi folks, we're out on another little winter's day hike. It's a little bit cooler than the last time we were out, but still a nice sunny day. Last time we were in this area, we spied something from a distance that we're going to go and investigate a little bit closer. It is like a retaining wall that was built sometime around the turn of the 19th century, or maybe 1920s, 1930s. It was originally constructed to be part of a lock system for the waterway that's near here. The original idea was to have a couple locks in place and then a marine railway. And I guess the idea was abandoned in favor of clearing out a nearby rapid. So we've got a 29-foot high, very large retaining wall that's built kind of out in the middle of nowhere. It's one of those things that you kind of see on the satellite maps and wonder what it is. So we're gonna go and check it out. Possibly moose tracks. Too big for a deer. Okay, well there is the wall. So I guess the idea was they built that retaining wall there to build a lock system, and they were going to use the natural rocks for the remainder of the lock to flood this area, I guess. It's kind of hard to tell what they envisioned at the time, but they had a plan to build that. Just kind of making our way across this marshy bit here. Just trying to be conscious of the fact that nothing's really quite completely froze up this winter. Have to watch for kind of soft spots and little creek runoffs and that sort of thing. Well, there you have it. I don't believe there's anything on the other side of that. It was constructed with the intention of building a lock, and then they've changed their plans. So that would have been quite the feat of construction back in the day. Just one of those weird little anomalies you pick up on satellite imagery, just kind of out in the middle of nowhere. We're going to see if we can get up and have a better look at the other side. Oh, there you go. We made it to the top of that little rocky wall. They've actually put like a gate on the top of it here, and it's wide open, but I guess at one time it was to keep people from walking along the top of it. We're definitely not going to be doing that today. Yeah, even if there was water on either side to fall into, it's frozen right now. But yeah, just a big retaining wall serving absolutely no purpose. It looks like even a beaver has built a house up against the dam there. He probably figured his work there was done with the dam, so he could just build a house and sit back and relax. Well, there you have it, folks. We went and checked out the mysterious wall from the satellite images that we found. So I read up a little bit about the history of it, for what it was intended for as part of the Trent Severn Canal. So it's kind of neat to come and see it in person. It is a lot bigger in person than it seems like on the satellite images. So it's just a short little video for today. Hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of Ontario history here with this wall in the middle of nowhere. Anyway, until next time, of course, as always, keep exploring.